What are the 2024 CPA exam testing windows, and how should you plan your studies accordingly? In this video, we're going to go through all the important CPA dates for 2024 and what you should do about it. So you're going to notice that the score release dates are quite slow in 2024. For some testing windows, you're going to have to wait over 2 months to find out whether you passed or not. Also, if you're taking a discipline exam in 2024, the discipline exams are open for about 1 month per quarter. So make sure you plan accordingly. So let's first talk about the Q1 testing windows. If you're taking a core exam, you'll have between January 10th and March 26th, and you'll find out by June 4th. If you're taking a discipline exam, you have between January 10th and February 6th, and you'll find out by April 24th. So now let's move on to the Q2 testing windows. For the core exam, you have between April 1st and June 25th. Then you'd get your score back by July 31st. For the discipline exam, you have between April 20th and May 19th, and then you'd find out by June 28th. Now let's move on to Q3 testing windows. So for the core exam, you have between July 1st and September 25th, and then you'd find out your score around November 1st. And then for the discipline exam, you have the entire month of July, and then you'd find out by September 10th. If you want to take your CPA studies to the next level, check out my comprehensive CPA exam review course, which includes over 35 hours of video lectures and 4,000 practice questions. You can learn more about it in the link in my comments. And now we've made it to the Q4 testing windows. For the core exam, you have between October 1st and December 26th, and then you should find out early February of 2025. For the discipline exam, you have the entire month of October, and you should find out by December 10th. So after seeing these long score release times, what's the best way to plan your studies? The first tip is to not be scared to take 2 core exams in the same testing window. Since it's such a long window and a long score release date, you could take both exams in the same window. So you take the first core exam and assume that you passed, and then shift gears and start studying for the next core exam, take both of them, and then find out on the same date. This could save you a lot of time with the long score release dates. And regarding the discipline exams, I would recommend that you take your discipline exam as your last exam. So because from the core exams to the discipline exams, there's some rollover content, but not vice versa, you're best to take the core exams first and then take the discipline exam last.